Hello and welcome to the video tutorial where we review just how easy it is for you to create an order in Kugamon using Cirra AI. Cirra AI acts as a Salesforce admin, allowing teams to manage Salesforce actions simply by describing what they need. When paired with Kugamon CPQ, routine tasks like creating an order becomes even faster because there's less manual navigation. Whether you're an admin supporting revenue operations or an end user working with orders day to day, this video shows how Cirra AI can help streamline your process. So let's dive right in and explore it further together. Please note that this video is part of a Kugamon and Cirra AI series, so it is recommended that you check out the related videos on how to get set up, how to create a quote, update a quote, cancel a quote, clone a quote. Make sure you go through those first so you have your bearings, and you can reference the Kugamon and Cirra AI video playlist in the video description below, because for this video, we're gonna pick up where we left off. So what you're gonna do now is make sure you're logged into Cloud. And if you can, open that existing conversation that we already had opened with Cloud. And since we are picking up where we left off, the last part of your conversation should show a summary of the canceled quote. So from here, what we're going to do is just scroll back up to where it summarized the quote details when it says view cloned quote and view original quote. Just go ahead and locate where it says view original quote on your screen and then click to open that link, because we're going to use this quote record. So now you should be looking at your quote record in Kugamon. So from here, let's copy this quote number. And I want to just point this out to you so that you understand as an end user. From this quote record, Kugamon lets you just quickly generate an order. So that is what we are going to have Cloud do. So let's go back into Cloud. And then we can jump down, and now we ask our question. I am framing it as, can you please use Kugamon's generate order functionality to create an order from the quote number, etc. Once you've inputted something similar, let's go ahead and enter. Let's say always allow. Always allow. So now you should see a similar summary on your screen. And the part that I would want you to navigate to is where it says view order, view source quote. Likely you still have that quote open in a tab here. If not, just click to open it. And then let's click on the view order link as well. Now on the order record, let's click on create PDF and just zoom in. Now we are looking at our order PDF, and let's take a look at the line items. So we have that GenWet propane 100 kilowatt item and the support gold, and the same balance due amount 375K. That should match the related quote. And let's see, so here's that same line item, that 100 kilowatt product. Here's support gold, and the net amount is again 375K. So everything was created beautifully. And essentially, this is one way that you can generate a order within Kugamon using Cirra AI. And we specifically explored the way that you can generate a order from a quote. There are a handful of ways in which you can create an order in Kugamon. So let's explore just one more way quickly. And let's explore how you would do that. Let's go back into the order and just copy one of the product names just for convenience for you, or if you memorize your products and services, that's even better. And let's go back into the conversation with Claude. Okay, so I am asking, can you please generate a new order for Starbucks Corporation and add those two same products to the order? So once you've added your own version of this question, let's click enter. So now let's review the new order summary. So here the order number is different. It's now ending in 1. It looks like it added both of those line items for us. So now let's check out the new order. So where it says view order, just click on that link and let's open it. Okay, and I just want to confirm that this is a different order number from my original one here, and here it's correct. So that's good. Now let's click on create PDF and just zoom in a little bit. And what I'm looking for again are the two line items. So here we do indeed have the same line items. The balance due amount is $375K. I will note that the date available, the date start, is different now because I'm creating this video at a different point in time than the previous video where we created the order, etc. So you will notice that change as well unless you're doing this all on the same day. That's just a note to keep in mind. Aside from that, everything else looks great. If you have any questions about how you can easily create an order in Kugamon using Cirra AI, do not hesitate to reach out to the appropriate support team or check out the video description below to check out these shortcut links to help you do so. And if you like this video, we do recommend that you check out the other video tutorials in the Kugamon and Cirra AI series. And those are just two ways that you can easily generate an order in Kugamon with Cirra AI. If you have any questions about any of these steps, check out the video description below to reference the shortcut links to get in touch with the appropriate support team. And if you like this video, please check out more in the Kugamon and Cirra AI video series. Also check out the video description to jump right to that playlist. And we hope to see you next time. Take care.